this is Evan from ABC Power Tools, and today we're going to demonstrate how to switch a trimmer head to a brush cutter blade. So all the brush cutters from Stihl that have the straight shaft are compatible to put one of these blades on, and there's two different styles. There's one that have the loop handle like this, and then they have the bike handle style. So the difference between those ones is the bike handle, they come with the blade adapter kit in the manual bag. So it comes with a nut, a hub, and then a pin to take the head on and off. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to do it here. So you can use this one right here. So if you look on the head here, you can see there's a hole right there. So that's where you install this pin here. So pretty much it just slides inside. This plate right here, this metal plate, this is just a lock plate. So if you have your trimmer head or the blade, you have to have that on so that this locks in place. You just rotate it and it just locks in place like that. It's reverse thread, so you turn it left to tighten and right to loosen. So turn it right to loosen it off. Just comes off with your hand. It just slides off like that. This is the lock plate, so these little holes right there, that's what lock the pin inside. So it's very important to have this on if you have the blade or the head. When you put the blade on, I'm just going to turn this upside down here. So just like this. Put the lock plate on again. You can notice that there's a little bit of an arbor here. That's where the blade will sit. So I'm just going to take the blade out. These blades are sharp on both sides, so it doesn't actually matter which way you put it on. So it just fits inside that hole there. You got to make sure it's on that so it's not off the rail there. So just have it sitting on there perfectly like that. And then you put this on. This is just a hub so that you're not always hitting the ground, so it gives you like an inch so you can go along the surface of the ground. And then you got to lock it in place with your nut. So remember, it's reverse thread, so you just turn it left to tighten it. So just hand tight first. And then you can notice the blade's starting to turn. So you have to stick this shaft or pin here in that hole again. And you turn it so that it locks that in place. And now you take one of these wrenches here. And this wrench comes with all the manuals, and you just simply screw it down. And you should do it as tight as you can so it doesn't fall off. So just give it a crank. And you can notice that it's the same space from the hub, and that's how you know that it's on perfectly. And so that's how you put a blade on and change it from a head to a blade.